Hey all, welcome to my channel. It's called Chill with Sabi. I hope everyone is doing well. If not, please take care of yourselves. Today the video is about Hot Wheels from the series Hot Wheel Metro Trouble Decker. It's a new model for 2023 and it was designed by Fraser Campbell. So let's unbox it and let's see how does it look in person. So let's start. It's a red double-decker bus with a blown engine and it has a wheelie bar, and it is a part of Hot Wheel Metro series and has a number 202. Out of 250 it is 202, and it's a miniature model of a real vehicle, and the size of this Hot Wheel Trouble Decker is 1:87 scale. If you're looking to buy this beautiful Trouble Decker, the price range is between $2.49 to $19.99. Different websites has a different price. It would be better if you can get from any retailer shop instead of paying that much money. There is only one color available for this model, which is red. If I have to talk about this, the decal which has been printed on this Trouble Decker, it has a gold striping Metro. It has a Trouble Decker on sides, so like it's in both the sides, and we can see the logo of Hot Wheels. And we have something here, it's written El Segundo 5522 on left side of this bus. So it looks really unique in its own way, well designed, and it's not too much weight at all. It's very lightweight die cast and metal, and it's made in Malaysia. And let's see how does it roll. And this rolls very smooth. I think it can be used in the racetrack. So let's try it and let's see how does it roll here. So we have a racetrack here, and it's cool. It goes well in the racetrack. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Cool.